organization is the Humane Society, and for my America logo style, this is the one I chose to create. Again, you just want to make sure that your icon is going to fit in certain places. You don't want various of if you have an icon with various lines, shapes, and visuals, it will just not transfer easily. The color scheme for this, I use the color chart 6 degrees. The color yellow is interpreted by the Western culture to express happiness, joy, hope, optimism, creativity, energy, and awareness. The symbolism behind this, analyzing the logo below, the expression clearly states that the love for animals, which represents the organization. In Western culture, dogs represent protection, alertness, bravery, devotion, and consistency. The meaning behind my logo shows how the organization can help save animals in need of a home. For the India style logo, again, you just want to make sure that you don't have various lines, shapes, things like that. Here we have the elephant representing the India side. Again, I use the same color chart, 6 degrees. The color blue is interpreted by India culture expressing love, truth, strength, bravery. The symbolism behind this, for the Indian logo, you can refer back to Halberg, Austin Halberg. The elephant represents power, dignity, intelligence, and peace. According to Halberg, the iconic meaning behind the elephant in India is strength, wisdom, solitude, strong sense of loyalty to the family, and intelligence. So you can also say that this will represent the company as well, because without strength, some of these animals don't. The people that work in this organization need to know that they have to have the strength to help these people, and they are a family and loyalty to that family. Visual communication is seen through both logos. Again, the American style logo represents the dog, which symbolizes protection, devotion, consistency. As India, the elephant will represent power, dignity, intelligence, and peace. The American audience understands dog loyalty will attract more of the American audience to the logo on the left. The Indian audience understands the importance behind an elephant and how it represents their culture. The marketing organization should consider the importance of using the visual elements because they each have a way of attracting the America and Indian cultures. The audience's most important attribute when this is your most important for creating a logo is your audience. Thank you for listening.